Hi friends, welcome to my trading log for the day. So today is 19th of April 2021 and today the market was down by 2%, more than 2% in the morning when it opened. So it was a huge gap down. So everything was in red as expected. So I thought it's a good opportunity to make some buys today and average out some of my positions. So let us see what all I averaged. So here you can see I was in plus in a few of them, but I did not sell them off for intraday because as you know my plan was to average them out, though in case Bajaj Finance would have gone more than 150 rupees, I would have sold it for intraday. For IndusInd Bank, my order was for 855, which it did not reach, and so it is still in my kitty, and it is used for averaging because my average for now is more than 950 rupees in IndusInd Bank. So this will average out my existing shares. Similarly for Bandhan Bank, similarly for IDFC First Bank, I was thinking that if it is again it is going to go above 52 rupees, I might sell it off for the day because I presume that Bank Nifty will do a covering short covering today, but it did not do that. But again, not a problem. Raymond also was very very much, it was more than 6% down today. So for Raymond also my strategy was to average because I already hold some shares of Raymond at a higher price. So this is my averaging positions today. So these days I have not sold any of my existing portfolio shares, as obviously I have some pharma shares with me. They did not reach my so sell price today, so I'm still holding on to them, and I presume that one or more they will be going higher up for a few more days. So I'm planning to sell all my pharma shares by Friday for sure. So that is what I plan to do, but I feel that market will still continue to go down and down, and let us see how it goes tomorrow. But I presume that by tomorrow all the negative news will be factored in and we can see some positivity in the market. So hope for the best. So this is what my position is. The market went up, it was in positive eventually, but this is what it is. So for me, I am planning to average out. I planned to even average out my HDFC Bank, which fell instead of having posted good results, and I already read it. So you understand why I bought only Wipro, which I knew that it will jump after its results declaration. All others fell down after the results declaration, and I have still not bought even on dips. I am planning to buy Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech on dips, but I feel that they will further fall down a bit, so I'm holding on to it. Netfit also, I have some quantity in that ETF, so I will be selling off Netfit pretty soon. So because I don't know by when all the tech companies or IT companies will be out with their results. My thinking is that Techem will be the only one which will again rally like Wipro after the results, otherwise all of them are going to fall. So that is what my philosophy is. Let us see how it goes. So as you can see, I'm a short trader, small trader. I only have small positions in, and these are used for averaging. So my average price for all shares in my portfolio is around 20k. So I try to keep it at 20k, 25k, not more than that per share. Reliance also has not come to the price where I wish to buy it. So let us see and wait where it goes tomorrow, and I might be averaging my Reliance stock as well. But it is more than 25k in my kitty, so let us see if I can average it or not. In case I'm able to sell some holdings of mine, I'll get some money to average it. So let us see what tomorrow has in store for us. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel in case you like my logs. Thanks. Bye.